Are you thinking you need an expensive academy to prepare for IELTS? I thought the same, but I was wrong. In this video, I'll show you the exact free IELTS resources I am using to start from zero at home and how I am approving step by step. With family responsibility, joining an academy was not possible for me financially and practically. I had no clear idea where to start, which book to open, or even how the tests work. So I decided to find free and effective resources. And honestly, there are so many if you use them correctly. One thing I realized very early is don't start practicing blindly. First, understand IELTS format, band system, then question types. Because if you don't understand the exam, practice alone would not help much. If we talk about the listening was also challenging for me in the beginning. When I first started, I could not understand everything clearly. Sometimes I missed answer but just because I could not catch the word. But then I changed my approach. I started listening daily, repeating difficult parts, and focusing on keywords instead of every single word. Now I feel I am improving slowly. Not perfect, but definitely better than before. So if you are struggling in listening, it's completely normal. For reading, time management was my biggest problem. In IELTS reading, there are 3 passages, and ideally you should spend 20 minutes on each passage. But when I did my first reading test, I took almost 1 hour for just one passage. Yes, 1 hour. The interesting thing is I got good marks, but the timing was completely wrong. So I realized accuracy is not enough. Timing is equally important. Now after regular practice, I have improved. I can complete one passage in around 25 to 30 minutes now. And I am still working to bring it down to 20 minutes. So if you are slow like me in the beginning, don't worry. Start slow, then improve step by step. Now let's talk about the writing. Writing is actually one of the most challenging parts for every student and also for me. When I wrote my first chart-based paragraph, I had no idea if my writing was well structured or not because I was doing everything on my own without any teacher. I felt confused. Is this correct? Am I writing in the right way? All these questions arose in my mind. Then one of my friends suggested something simple to check my writing using AI tool like ChatGPT. So I tried it. And surprisingly, I got feedback that my paragraph was around band 5.5 to 6. Honestly, for a beginner, that was not bad at all. Now I can complete my writing task within time, which is a big improvement for me. After that, I focused only on chart-based writing first because task 2 felt too long in the beginning. And one important thing I realized is before writing, you must understand the type of chart and graphs because you have to describe them clearly, and this help in getting better band. And if you want, I can also share that template I am using for writing in my next video. For speaking, I did not have any partner to practice with, so I did something very simple. I stood in front of mirror, opened my book, and start speaking. At first, I practiced only short questions. Honestly, it was not easy. I felt uncomfortable and sometimes I did not know what to say. And honestly, I could not stand 5 to 10 minutes in front of a mirror. But I still continued. I also tried talking to myself, recording my voice, and now I realize I am becoming a better version of myself in speaking. I am not perfect, but I am improving. So if you are alone, don't wait for a partner. Start with yourself. One thing I realized is resources are not the real problem. The real problem is inconsistency and overthinking. Even free resources can give you a good band if you use them daily. One of the best resource is go to the website of British Council, and there is a lot of material for practicing 4 modules. First, practice on the British Council website, and don't make this mistake watching too many videos but not practicing. Try to balance both, learn plus practice. This is what I am using right now. I shall keep sharing my honest progress. In my next video, I'll show you my daily IELTS routine with family responsibilities. If you are also preparing for IELTS from zero, subscribe to my channel and let's grow together. And if you want my writing template, comment template below. And if you starting from zero like me, comment 0. I'd love see how many of us are on the same journey. Thank you for watching my video. Stay with me and let's grow together.